Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are solving an absolute value equation that has extra terms outside. The absolute value bars. The equation is, the absolute value of 3x minus 1 plus 5 equals 12. Before we split into two cases, we must isolate the absolute value expression. That means we need to get the absolute value bars by themselves on one side of the equation. This is the most important first step. Never split into cases until the absolute value is completely isolated. Step 1. Isolate the absolute value. We start with, the absolute value of 3x minus 1 plus 5 equals 12. Subtract 5 from both sides. The plus 5 and minus 5 cancel on the left side. On the right side, 12 minus 5 equals 7. We now have, the absolute value of 3x minus 1 equals 7. Now the absolute value is isolated. K equals 7, which is positive. So we split into two cases. Step 2. Write the two cases. Case 1, 3x minus 1 equals 7. Case 2, 3x minus 1 equals negative 7. Step 3. Solve case 1. We have, 3x minus 1 equals 7. Add 1 to both sides. 3x equals 7 plus 1, which is 8. Divide both sides by 3. X equals 8 over 3. Case 1 gives us x equals 8 thirds. Step 4. Solve case 2. We have, 3x minus 1 equals negative 7. Add 1 to both sides. 3x equals negative 7 plus 1, which is negative 6. Divide both sides by 3. X equals negative 6 over 3, which simplifies to negative 2. Case 2 gives us x equals negative 2. Step 5. Check both solutions in the original equation. Remember, we check in the original equation, not the simplified one. The original equation is, the absolute value of 3x minus 1 plus 5 equals 12. Check x equals 8 thirds. 3 times 8 thirds equals 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. The absolute value of 7 is 7. 7 plus 5 equals 12. 12 equals 12. True. This solution works. Check x equals negative 2. 3 times negative 2 equals negative 6. Negative 6 minus 1 is negative 7. The absolute value of negative 7 is 7. 7 plus 5 equals 12. 12 equals 12. True. This solution also works. Step 6. Write the solution set. Our two solutions are x equals 8 thirds and x equals negative 2. The solution set is negative 2, 8 thirds. Now let's look at the number line. We place a closed dot at negative 2. We place a closed dot at 8 thirds, which is approximately 2.67, between 2 and 3. Both points satisfy the original equation. Let's recap everything. The original equation was, the absolute value of 3x minus 1 plus 5 equals 12. Step 1. We isolated the absolute value by subtracting 5 from both sides. That gave us, the absolute value of 3x minus 1 equals 7. Step 2. We split into two cases. Case 1, 3x minus 1 equals 7. Add 1. 3x equals 8. Divide by 3. X equals 8 thirds. Case 2, 3x minus 1 equals negative 7. Add 1. 3x equals negative 6. Divide by 3. X equals negative 2. Both solutions checked out in the original equation. The solution set is, negative 2 and 8 thirds. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. Visit us at getthemath.net for more practice problems and tutorials. See you in the next one.